Hey, 8th graders that are e-learning, this is Mrs. Nome. I wanted to let you know how to get your hands on something to read. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can come to Northside and check out books just like you did last year. Just email me to work out a time and I'll let you in the back door by the track. That's door number 15. You can also download the Sora app in self-service if you're interested in ebooks or audiobooks. I've included a how-to video in this Canvas course on how to download the app and also how to add the Elkhart Public Library to the Sora app so that you can check out some of their large selection. You'll need an Elkhart Public Library card. You can use your own, or I can give you one of these e-cards. All you need to do is email me and I can give you the numbers off of one of the cards that I have. I hope that you'll pick up something to read either at our library or electronically through the Elkhart Public Library. I also hope that if you need a suggestion, I hope you'll get in touch with me. Hope to hear from you.